I can't really pick up the red dot.
Can I do it?
You don't want to shine your eyes, though.
Can I do it? What do you push? Gotcha, what'd you push? Come on. Let me try.
Oh no, you can't go back in.
How do you do it? Can you do it? I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it.
That's so mean.
Dad, can I see it? What can you push? Oh.
Daisy. What is it?
Jefferson. Jefferson.
Daisy.
Jefferson.
Just let her rest for now.